Right, just a quick garden update. I've decided to plant more carrots and onions because, like the potatoes, you can get 10, even more potatoes from just one potato. But with the carrots and onions, for one seed you're going to get one bloody onion or one carrot. So I was also a bit worried about the spacing, how much spacing to put in them. I'm going to put them closer together, and if I find that they're growing, you know, like too far together or something, I can always transplant them. But I don't think I'll need to. I've got plenty of room in these. So I'm going to put more carrots in, probably 4 more carrots and 4 more onions. And then, as I say, a month after, because like this is a week since I've planted these, and then a month later I'm going to do the same again, so just so we'll have ongoing food. Okay, so this one was the onions here, so I'm just gonna little holes, a bit more over actually. I reckon they've got enough room around them all. And again, I'm going to put 2 seeds in each one just to make sure they grow. Like I say, I can always bring them out and separate them if 2 end up growing out of it, which they might well do. The same with the carrots, just get these weeds out. It takes weeds long to grow, does it? Nothing else is bloody growing yet. Right. And again, 2 in each. Obviously now I'll have to be on slug and snail watch, but we've not had many this year, not coming over here anyway. They all seem to be down the other end of the garden, which is good. I'm working on the next video now, which is natural fertiliser made just from stuff in your garden. So that's coming up next, so make sure you're subscribed and catch that one. And I'll keep you updated on this.